Just come from school and a popcorn and things. Young boy there has to clean off his boots. Right, my son? Clean off the next one there for me. Yes, sir. So we do it. You have to teach them from the young, no? You have to learn to be fully independent. Yes, sir. Go on to the right. Go on, wash your hand. Scrub your hand then. Get some water. Get water. Turn on the pipe. Turn in the man and put good strength in your hand. Yeah, wash your hand. Wash off your hand now. Wash your hand and play with the bubbles. Rinse off your hand. Yes, scrub it good. Not dry it yet, man. You don't rinse off it good yet, man. Hey, boy. Alright, turn off the pipe then. Good job, good job. I have to go squat a little longer next time. Yes, sir? Thank you. So when you care from school, you wash them out? Container?
Yeah.
Can you not eat no food? What with that? Book boss?